Hi, my name is Bilal Khan Afridi and I am the co-founder of Creative 3D Private Limited. Pakistan has a lot of creative minds, but due to lack of resources, these innovative ideas don't turn into reality. With the help of 3D additive manufacturing technology, we have a motive to increase the problem-solving creativity of Pakistan. This will help people to solve their problems innovatively using our own manufactured 3D printers. Creative 3D Private Limited manufactures 3D printers and provide 3D printing services. Moreover, this technology can help solve problems such as decrease trade deficit by promoting local manufacturing, help doing affordable and accurate prototyping, and reduce the cost of customization production. Our products are used in medical, aerospace, architecture and automotive industry. With the right team of co-founders from both engineering field and business field, Creative 3D is ready to disrupt customer-driven supply chain. Thank you.